called Unified Workspace. So if you click on that, and the login information is the same login you would use for your Outlook. So just enter that information and it will give you access to your dashboard. Here you have access to all the apps that we have available through our district. The one we'll be using for today though is Aeries. So you will click on. Once you have entered Aeries, you can click down on that pull down menu next to Santa Ana Unified School District in order to change schools without having to log in or out. Make sure you're at the right school that you want to access the list from. And now we will do the query for the list of special ed students. Make sure you are at the Pages tab, and then at the bottom left corner, you will find the Query tab. So you can click on that query. It will open up the query page where you will paste the query that I already wrote on the following slide for you. You have now the option, once you've pasted that query in this section here, you have the option to run it, which will open a new window with the list, or you can open in it with Excel and it will give you the list in an Excel spreadsheet where you are able to edit, delete columns you don't need, and customize it to your liking. Oops, sorry about that. Then here is the query. This here in the blue section, you will just highlight it, copy, and paste it to that last page. And this query, you will have the student's name, last name, ID, actually a whole bunch of information. I also included the disability there for you just to kind of help you out. Also, this next steps would be for the TPP JTAs. If you want to keep track of the students enrolled in the TPP courses, same thing. You will go to the home page. You will find the school info tab. You will click on that, which will give you another drop-down menu where you can click on the teachers. Then you will go ahead and actually type in the teacher that you want the information for. Then once you have that, it will bring you to this teacher data, and you can click on this section number here. Once you click that section number, it will give you, bring you to this master schedule where you have access to see the list of students down here or to actually print a class roster. That way, this is live, so as the students are changing classes probably on a weekly basis, you have access to see who is enrolled as of that day.